Keto after 50 desserts. Now, it's ultimately feasible to be on the keto eating regimen while not having to sacrifice our preferred cakes, and achieve this readily over the age of 50 and beyond. This first of its type application has already been taste examined through heaps of beta customers, and the feedback has been extraordinary. People are finally able to experience the satisfaction of desserts while stepping into the nice form of their lives, and putting off processed sugar from their diets. As I'm certain you know, processed sugars were related to extreme fitness risks, and they're specifically risky after the age of 50. Due to the fact our immune systems and metabolisms aren't as robust as they have been in our 20s or 30s, when we could devour sugars without harmful effects our bodies. So now, we should be extra cautious on the subject of the stuff we eat. Let's face it, the ketogenic weight loss program is tough. Of course, the positive outcomes have been demonstrated time and again. There's absolute evidence that it is a totally effective manner of burning fats, enhancing mind function, growing strength, and feeling younger. But it's simply so tough to maintain. I mean, you must reduce out such a lot of scrumptious ingredients and deprive yourself. Unfortunately, that's the very best manner to run right into a plateau and rebound from all that effort. One person lost 21 kilos at the ketogenic weight loss program, and then he gained it all again. He couldn't take it anymore. You see, being married to one of the exceptional chefs in the world for over 25 years, you get to revel in the rich flavors of all types of yummy foods. And let's simply say that he actually had one heck of a candy tooth. So as the years went on, he had become 70 kilos obese and commenced to have a few fitness problems. When a visit to the family physician revealed that he was borderline type 2 diabetic, he had to make a change then and there. But at age 59, it was tough to even consider that he should make this type of drastic transformation. It wasn't until he stumbled upon the ketogenic diet that he finally had some hope. The outcomes other people have been getting from it had been very encouraging to him. He thought, this could surely help me. So he resolved to research the whole thing. He explored the ins and outs of the keto weight loss program, and how the body forces itself to burn away fats by generating ketones from drastic reduction in consuming too many carbs. He gave the keto weight loss program a try, and in only a few quick weeks, he reduced 21 pounds. But he had one important weakness. He loved sweet food too much. And as soon as he stopped keto, he gained back the lost fat. He struggled a lot with it, but he could not stop his cravings. His wife, who was a professional cook, observed his misery sympathetically, but couldn't do anything. One day she had an idea. She went to the local supermarket and brought zero carbs ingredients to make a cake. She prepared his favorite chocolate cake and presented to him. He was surprised, and resisted weakly, but she insisted and he ate it. Then she told him about the zero carbs ingredients and he realized that it was a great idea. Combining his knowledge of keto with his wife's baking expertise, they created Keto after 50 desserts. A remarkable new way to enjoy a real dessert without the stress of not being in ketosis. Each recipe has already been tested by thousands of the avid eaters and dessert lovers over the age of 50. And the feedback has been outstanding. Keto after 50 desserts. Now, it's ultimately feasible to be on the keto eating regimen while